Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at an essential accessory for Visioneer OneTouch scanner users, the Dysead AC Power Adapter. This adapter is specifically designed to power models like the 5800, 7100, 8100, 8920, 9320, and 9420. A key highlight of this Dysead adapter is its robust safety features. It holds international quality certification, meeting top industry standards. Built-in safety mechanisms protect against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. This comprehensive protection ensures your valuable scanner receives a consistent and safe power supply, giving you peace of mind during operation. The adapter's input versatility is impressive, accepting AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage range means it's suitable for use almost anywhere in the world, making it a practical choice for global users or those needing a versatile power solution. Efficiency is another core aspect of its design. It boasts high power exchange efficiency, which helps control the working temperature of the adapter itself, contributing to a longer lifespan. More importantly, this efficiency ensures stable working, providing your scanner with a consistent and uninterrupted power flow. This stability is crucial for accurate and reliable scanning performance, preventing unexpected interruptions. Physically, the Dysead adapter comes in a sleek black color. Its wall mount design is convenient, allowing direct plugging into an outlet without adding clutter, functioning as a corded electric power source. It's a straightforward and functional piece of equipment. A vital reminder from the manufacturer, which we fully endorse, is to always confirm you are selecting the correct adapter for your specific device before purchasing. While compatible with a defined series of Visioneer OneTouch scanners, verifying your exact model guarantees perfect compatibility and optimal performance. In summary, for anyone needing a dependable replacement or an additional power adapter for their Visioneer OneTouch 5800, 7100, 8100, 8920, 9320, or 9420 scanner, the Dysead AC Power Adapter is a highly reliable and secure choice. Its comprehensive safety, global compatibility, and efficient power delivery make it an excellent investment to keep your scanner running smoothly and safely for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.